have the motivated brain. Use a Mac or Lenovo or whatever kind of computer you use. You still have some hard disk, you have some RAM, you have some graphic cards and so on. There is a process in it that is the same. That also counts for the human brain. We have a lot of software. It does not necessarily make us super users, does it? And as you know, that when you are really, really busy, you know there is shortcuts. You know that. But you don't go to the manual and look, oh, I know there is a shortcut. No, you go back and do exactly the same things that you did last time. Anyway, we want to become super user of our brain. Because when we are that, we know what to do, what to pursue, and what to avoid to stay motivated. What we focus most on is this one. We focus on the skills and the competences. But I can tell you with 100% guarantee that if you don't have motivation, you will not be a high performer. Three components here. We have extrinsic motivation. You know, all the things that typically is measured in an employment engagement survey. And actually, if you look at total motivation, employment engagement surveys only count for 55%. The rest, the 45%, come from the individual aspect of how intrinsic motivated people are. Motivation is individual and it is situational. There is no one size fits all. No. This is why you know that. I mean, you can go to work in the morning and be really motivated, and then somebody says something to you, or the customer calls you and complain about something or whatever. You don't have the resources you need, blah, 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 all these kind of things. And when you walk away, you're like, I tell you when you come home, I'm never going to go there again. I mean, if this happens one more time, I'm out of here, right? It can change in a second. I think we can agree that those animals are highly motivated, right? They're really motivated. And they are motivated by the same reason. They both want to survive. This is reptile brain motivation, survival. That's what they want.